Quick question. How many English tenses are there officially?
12.
And how many do you actually use in a normal daily conversation?
Honestly. 5.
5. Out of 12. And that is the truth nobody tells learners. You do not need all 12 tenses to speak English confidently. You never did. Today we are showing you the 5 tenses that cover 90% of real English conversations, and how to actually use each one in a real situation.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Eyna. I am Zack.
And I am Eyna. Subscribe to Talk Eyna right now for 3 new English lessons every week. Which tense confuses you most? Drop it in the comments. Let us go.
Important idea first. Understanding a grammar rule and using it in a real conversation are completely different skills. Today, we cover both. Not just the rule, the real moment.
Tense 1. Present simple. The most important tense in daily English, for habits, routines, facts, and things generally true about your life.
Structure. Base verb for I, you, we, they. Base verb plus S for he, she, it. I work, she works. We live, he lives. Most common mistake, forgetting the S. He go to work, wrong. He goes to work, correct. Always.
Real situation. Someone new asks, "What do you do?" You say, "I work in education." "Where do you live?" "I live near the city center." "Do you like traveling?" "Yes, I love it. I travel every summer." Present simple. Your identity, your habits, your life.
Tense 2. Present continuous, for what is happening right now or around this time. Structure. Am is are plus verb ing. I am learning. She is working.
Real situation. Someone calls and asks what you are doing. "I am just making dinner. Can I call you back?" Or for plans already arranged. "What are you doing this weekend?" "I am visiting my parents on Saturday. Already decided."
One important rule. Some verbs never use continuous. No, like love, understand, agree, believe. These are states, not actions. I am knowing the answer, wrong. I know the answer, correct. States always use present simple, never continuous.
Write a sentence in the comments right now using present continuous. What are you doing at this exact moment? I am listening to Talk Eyna. That is already perfect.
Tense 3. Past simple, for things that happened and are finished. The storytelling tense.
Structure, verb plus ed for regular verbs. Irregular forms for irregular verbs. Went, ate, saw, did, had. Time words signal this tense. Yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago. When you see these words, always past simple.
Real situation. How was your weekend? I went to a food market on Saturday morning. We had an amazing lunch, and then I met a friend in the evening. One question. A whole natural story, all past simple, all flowing.
Tense 4. Present perfect. The one that surprises people most. It looks like the past, but it is connected to right now.
Structure. Have or has plus past participle. I have just finished work. The effect is right now. I am free now. She has lived here for 5 years, started in the past, still true now.
The difference from past simple, finished, specific time. I lost my keys yesterday, story over. Present perfect, still relevant now. I have lost my keys, current problem. I am looking for them right now.
4 words that go perfectly with present perfect. Ever for experience, never for things not done, just for very recent events, yet for expected but not finished. Have you ever tried this? I have never seen that. I have just eaten. Have you finished yet?
Tense 5, going to and will, 2 future forms, both essential, both different.
Going to for plans already decided before this conversation. I am going to visit my brother on Saturday. Already in my plan. Will for decisions made right now in the moment. Someone needs help. I will help you. Decided this second.
One rule. Going to is the plan. Will is the spontaneous moment. What are you doing this weekend? I am going to see my family. Already planned? Someone dropped something. I will get that. Decided right now.
Now all 5 in one real conversation. 2 friends catching up.
I have not seen you in ages. How are you?
Really well. I work from home now, which completely changed my routine. What did you do last weekend?
I went to a food festival in the city. Have you been?
No, not yet. Is it good?
It was incredible. I think you will love it.
I am going to go this Saturday, then. Send me the details.
I will send them tonight.
5 tenses. 1 natural conversation. Present simple. I work from home. Past simple. I went to a food festival. Present perfect. I have not seen you. Have you been? Going to. I am going to go. I will send them tonight. Nothing forced. Nothing heavy. Just 2 people talking.
You do not need 12 tenses. You need 5. And now you have them. Present simple for your identity and habits. Present continuous for right now and arranged plans. Past simple for finished stories. Present perfect for past connected to now. Going to and will for the future.
Your challenge. Write 1 sentence in the comments using any tense from today. Tell us which one feels most natural to you now. We read every single comment.
If today helped, please like this episode. Share it with one friend who is overwhelmed by English grammar. Subscribe to Talk Eyna for 3 new English lessons every week.
This is Talk Eyna. See you next time.